I'm back. Sort of, not really. Nah, I don't know how to say this part. I've had a lot of people reach out to me actually and say, hey, what's going on? Where are your videos? All that kind of fun stuff. The feedback I have given to them throughout this year is I do have some videos coming out, but it won't be towards the end of the year, i.e. now, and those will be coming out very soon. Plan to release those in quick succession. So I'm just gonna, boom, release a whole bunch of them and then I'll go away for a little while again. But I've got a truck camping video coming out, or overlanding as the cool kids call it these days. And then I've got a bunch of hunting videos that I'm gonna release, some archery hunting videos. And this year was phenomenal. Different than years in the past. So I'm really excited to release those videos. I haven't focused a lot on some of these with the videoing or the taking of videoing during these trips. In fact, some of these trips, I didn't even get enough video to put something together to form a video. I just haven't really been focused on that this year. I've been focusing more on the experiences and just really enjoying it. But if you're wondering in 2019 what I've been doing, here's a quick look. We're shooting the Glock 10mm that your mother bought for bear protection. So RJ's shooting a 10mm for the first time. What'd you think?
That was fun.
You want to shoot that all the time?
Probably not, no.
You want to shoot it?
Yes and no.
You want to just try a couple?
Alright.
Alright, now it's Mr. Owen's turn. He's going to try a couple with the 10mm. Ooh. One more. And you're done. What'd you think?
Oh, that had a lot more kick than I thought it would, but it was good.
Not too bad, huh? Remember your muzzle control. You see that can? No. You didn't?
That's none of it.
Why is that so much fun? Let me see your teeth. Oh, that's good grouping right there.
Owen, what was that you have?
Alright, your first shots with your Ruger 1022. A little to the left, I think. What'd you think?
That's fun.
You like it?
Yeah.
Kind of fun little plinker, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. Glock 20, it's a Gen 4. For those that don't know, this is a 10mm. A gift from my wife for Christmas for a little better bear protection when I'm out hunting. So, out here breaking it in. It's a fun one. It's got a lot of oomph to it, but it's definitely a fun gun.
about you. Kind of like a puppy.
I brought the dog one.
Oh, good job, dude.
I brought the dog one just to chase. Oh, that's actually. My hand feels, my feet feel so freezing right now. A little farther. That's so cool. It looks like.
You guys think a beaver made that bridge?
Yeah.
For the beaver to get across?
No, probably not. I think I see like the current kind of scares me. Like, the current looks cool though, cause like it's like careful. Okay, I'll be careful. Luna, watch out! And I'm slipping back. And I just set my foot in the mud. Pull it out. Try to pull it out. Let's do this, Colin.
Which one is this?
Isn't that kind of cool? Right in the middle of the screen. Really, that's for the hardcore guys that have stuck around for so long and who actually might watch this video. I've been gone for so long. But that's just a very quick look at 2019. Of course, what that doesn't show, what social media doesn't show, is a lot of the life problems, right, that we have to deal with. A lot of the fun stuff, like going to the kids' soccer games. A lot of the not fun stuff, like mowing the lawn, living life, working a real job that actually pays the bills. So a lot of that stuff going on as well. But for those of you who are sticking around to watch this kind of small handful of videos, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in these future videos. So the truck is stuck. Surplus of food in there, utensils, all kinds of stuff. Let's go on top of that right there. We just got into some elk. I finally got a shot at 60 yards. And this is an interesting